the creativity aspect of self-care can be introduced through calligraphy. You're not really able to think about anything else outside of creating these lines, creating these brush strokes, creating these letters. There's a lot of sort of mindful awareness that's coming through. I found that my sort of mental health, my well-being was supported through doing these practices every day. My name's Laura Edgerlin and I'm a calligraphy artist, and I founded Laura Letters Life. I became excited about calligraphy when I did a course several years ago, and one of the things that was particularly nice was just slowing down and finding this quite accessible art form which didn't need lots of expensive equipment or anything, but I could just practice very easily at the kitchen table once the kids had gone to bed. So I started doing more and more of it and getting better and better at it. I began teaching workshops, and it was a really lovely way of sharing the benefits of calligraphy with others. So I've been using Ticket Tailor now for about a year and a half. With Ticket Tailor's customer service, I found it's particularly useful because they have a little chat function on the corner of the screen. So actually at any point in the process of either building or promoting my events, I can ask them a question and I'm getting a response within just a few minutes. We're now very good friends because I ask them questions all the time.